Man, that's not good. What happened? All right, we'll kill the lift. Do a little bit of tool maintenance. Let's see what really went on here. That's the other thing that I love about this stupid little chainsaw is just so freaking simple. There's nothing to it. That was probably my fault. And I bet I wasn't paying attention to the tension on the chain as close as I should have. Yeah, we'll see. But, I mean, come on, for however much I paid for the stupid thing, $150 or whatever it was. It's very capable, very powerful. Has all the power I need. It's only a, whatever, stupid 14 inch or whatever the bar is. Yeah. I'm not a professional lumberjack, so I don't need 174 horsepower beast of a chainsaw. It feels like it's tight enough. All I need is the weekend warrior. Don't want to care about mixing gas and choking a motor and so on and so on. That's really all I want. And you know what? This thing really fits the bill. I'm very pleased with it so far. Well, moving on. I think I probably just caught a hard spot in the wood and it slipped sideways. Let's see. Let's see if she keeps on shooting. It's been a hell of a chainsaw so far. Oh, yep. It's great. One thing I'll tell you is this tree, the fucking elm, these things are like cut through steel. So this is not an accurate representation of when you're just cutting down normal pine for firewood or anything like that. Let it feed itself. That's all you got to do. Just let it feed itself through the wood. It's an extremely capable saw. I've been very impressed. Maybe that decides to come down, I'm not sure. You know, it never looks like as much wood as it really ends up being. This is going to be a son of a bitch to clean up. I am not looking forward to that at all. Damn it. Guess I should have thought of that before I decided I was going to, you know, keep my house safe from a tree that might fall on it. You fucking cunt.